Hey guys, this is John with Cornerstone, and I just wanted to document a pretty poor paint protection installation on a 2018 Tesla Model 3. You can see here where they've just kind of hacked around this sensor, but you see there's a lot of gaps along the wheel wells, and they've even cut out a notch right where the point of the hood goes. This just looks awful, and fortunately it's a white car, because on any dark paint it would just look it would stand out and just look awful. But yeah, unfortunately, this customer actually was referred to another competing shop via the Tesla forums. I have no idea why, but we're not going to mention any names of who they went to or anything like that. But I just know that they had originally called us and gotten an estimate to have it done professionally. They opted to go somewhere else to save a couple $100. In the end, it just cost an awful lot more, because they would essentially have to have it replaced. But here is an example of a Honda Civic Type R that we recently did a paint protection install on, and you'll see that everything looks very clean. The film goes to the edges. We've gotten in here and wrapped. We pay a pretty high monthly fee for software that cuts all of these patterns to precision. We don't have to cut on your vehicle. We're able to lay the film very, very precise, very clean. We don't have dirt underneath the edges of the film when it's all said and done, causing it to lift up over time or put even more scratches on your vehicle. We don't cut notches on the hoods. We wrap all the way to the edge. On this car, we did the mirrors, the full fender, the full front bumper, obviously, the hood scoop. We did the emblem, all this black trim, the front trim there, all inside those little grooves. This front end is like 98% covered. It's incredible. We even got down low here along this black plastic bezel and literally wrapped that piece and the inner and outer part of the light cup there as well. Right here, this is freshly put on. Took us about a day. We are rolling the edges, so we're waiting for the film to dry and then the adhesive to get really, really tacky, and then we'll roll the edges down to where it grips and is able to go as far up to the edge of the plastic or the paint as possible. And just looks fantastic. But customer loved it. He immediately took it to California and put about 5,000 miles on it his first couple weeks of owning it. But here I'm showing off the edge of even the front emblem we covered, so completely protected from rock chips and abrasions. This film is incredible. It's self-healing. If you scratch it with a wire brush or anything like that, you can actually pour warm water on it or park it out in the sun, and within a very short period of time, an hour at most usually, the body paint or the metal will heat up enough that it heats up the film, and it literally self-heals, and you would never know a scratch happened to it. It's very, very clean looking. But if you're interested in getting your car professionally covered to look good and have a good end result, give us a call. You know where to find us, and thanks for watching.